Hi students, welcome to class 3 science subject living things and non-living things. Now we are going to discuss about living and non-living things. You all studied about living and non-living things in your last classes. What is living things and what is non-living things? Can anybody say? Yes, everybody know. Living things can move from one place to another place and non-living things cannot do anything. For example, for living things we can say plant, animals and human. For non-living things we can say car, pencil, stone and etc. Man-made things and natural things are called non-living things. Now we are going to discuss about characteristics of living things. The first characteristic is movement. We all moving, so we are living things. All living things can move on their own. Here one boy is running. Animals also can move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. Here we are seeing one cheetah is running with their legs. Dogs, cats and human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds and bees fly with the help of their wings. Fish can move with the help of fins. Plants do not move from place to place because they do not have to look for food. Green plants make their own food. Some plants move in a particular way. For example, lotus flower and mimosa plant. Lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. The leaves of mimosa plant close when we touched. Thus plants show movement. Non-living things cannot move, like books, toys and chairs. They do not move on their own. If we move only, it is moving. Another characteristic is growth. Living things can grow. For example, a child grows into an adult. Living things can grow. A seed grows into a plant. The picture shows the seed grows into a plant. Animals can grow. For example, this cat growing. Non-living things cannot grow, like dolls, cricket bats, tables, etc. They do not grow. Next characteristic is breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We are breathing through our nose and regenerate from lungs. All living things need air to breathe. Some other animals breathe through their noses too. Cockroaches, butterflies and mosquitoes breathe through hair holes in their body. The frog and cat is breathing. Look at these pictures. How is breathing? Plants also can breathe through tiny pores called stomata present in their leaves. Non-living things do not breathe. Next characteristic is food. Living things need food to grow. We need food to live also. Food gives us energy to work and mood. This picture shows the girl is eating. Animals eat plant or flesh of other animals as food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water and light. Non-living things do not need food. Next characteristic is reproduce. What is reproduce? The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. A woman gives birth to a baby, while pigeon and a hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Plants. Most plants reproduce with the help of seeds. Look at this picture. These seeds grow into new plants. Some plants also give rise to new plants with the help of their roots, stems, or leaves. For example, rubber plant, money plant, and sugar cane. Non-living things do not reproduce. Next characteristic is feel changes. Living things feel changes. We will feel changes around us like hot and cold weather, happy, sad, angry, hungry, everything. Animals also can feel or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They are also feeling. Look at this picture. This dog is feeling when we touch that. Animals like cockroach, grasshopper and butterfly have special body parts called antennae which help them to feel changes around them. Plants also feel. For example, mimosa plant. If we touch the plant, it feels. A lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants can also feel light and grow towards it. But non-living things do not feel changes. We are going to discuss about the differences between living and non-living things. Living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things needs food. Non-living things do not eat foods. Living things can move, but non-living things do not move. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce, but non-living things do not reproduce. I hope you all understand about the differences between living and non-living things and also characteristics of living and non-living things. Thank you students. Have a nice day.